If you are using Google Chrome browser, then it's very easy to find the forgotten password on your computer. So let's see how we can do this thing. Many times I use different passwords for different sites. So it's very common that I always forget it. So now in this video you will see how it is easy to recover those passwords. At first we need to open the Chrome browser and then we'll find three dots is there. We just need to click here and it will be expanded, and we have to scroll down at the end and you will find settings. Just click over the settings and very shortly you will find this type of page, and left side you will find one of the option is autofill and passwords. Just click over there and here you will find three items are there: Google Password Manager, payment methods, address, and more. To check all the passwords, we just need to click here and very shortly it will be opened like this. Now here you will see all the list of the passwords here. So for example, this one I want to check. I forgot the password for Outlook. So we just need to click here to open the details of this Outlook. So I'm going to click here. Once I click here, it will bring this type of window. Here we need to type the MAC password. I'm going to type the MAC password for my case. You have to type your own password, that is your MAC password or your Windows password, whatever you can say. Then you have to press the OK button. And if the password is correct, you will find this type of page. Here you will see this is a site name, this is the username and password. So this is my username and password. And to check the password, we will see there is a small eye icon is there. We just need to click here and very shortly it will show you the password of my username, and very shortly we'll see the password for this user. And that's it. In this way we can easily find the password or username for any visited website which I used previously, and if I save those things it will be saved like this way.